个要放你的手指下来，然后它今天有点难哎，我帮你问。
OK， 你的锁匙？
我锁匙没有帶，沒有帶這兩塊就放喺這裡啊。我唔會喊㗎，我唔會流眼淚㗎，我死都唔流眼淚。
Hopefully not rain. Hopefully it's Jackie's day. So this video today I'll be doing is special for Jack. Me and my friends gonna make a surprise for him since his birthday is coming soon. This plan actually organized by Jack, Jade, and few of us gonna share the money and then gonna give him a surprise and enjoy the video. Oh brother， 你的 signal 弄了
啊？没有啊，终于啊，会了。
哎 ，you are late already 啊？
累了一點啊，
等你等到啊，這個 neck 都長
腳出
了。
來。
開箱啊 ，unbox 啊 ，unbox 啊。我 shareholder ？No scratch 啊不 ？Check make sure no scratch 啊。pass 啊。等 owner 來開。
It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Mason do crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while.
Our brother.
I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home.
哦，買啦，等咩？
Nice。
誒，you order from here？
這個是 RT 的。對。啊，誰？
不是可以先留咩？買啦，等什麼
Holy shit。
？Maybe Singapore cheaper。
No, Singapore is a bit okay 啦，a bit 啦。
誒，wait for what? You are here already buy 啦。
哦，難搞了。我死。
啊，once broken consider so 啊。
哎呀，没有。
The bike 啊 I watch video don't know watch how many time。哇，哎，可以問他裝下去，你要不要 test 一下？不用啊，為什麼要裝下去？我看過了，testing 一下，你不懂那個 feeling。要就是買，
買啦，
買啊！
誒，brother，white color wait for what？
Just nice 啊，I buy。
低了不一定每次有。
我去馬來西亞。
你問你價錢？You ask the price already？好嗎
？Ringgit 啊，Ringgit，OK，按我按。我先按你啲，來。
不然是这样久了。
我要找人下去裝下。
？Everyone say on and then you don't want。
不是，too expensive as a birthday gift.
What doesn't matter if people agree to pay for you? If people agree to pay for you, then just take it.
Faster, 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 faster.
Hurry on, put on the back seat.
Steady.
Faster, faster, faster.
Steady 啊，我們裝上去，裝上去帶回家。
誒，冇得走咗
啊 ，something wrong today, something wrong, something wrong today. You check again, Malaysia no more stock. Last piece here.
Last piece. Take.
喂，我衝唔掉啊！你們在衝我，你們買你？對啊，你給我死了！我在衝。 他不会真的是我。哎，这个怎样装啊？可以再试一下吗？我装起来了，掰开。有设计啊？
那你看下面那个路，
可以拿去再试一下。
可以的。你问他们来给你。
哎，我的老板说要买啊。
哦，他说要买了。
没有钱，我没有钱。哎呦，
冇得走啦，
冇得做咩喎？你哋做咩？玩過火了，玩過火了。
没有，我是不定义嘛。
哎，他们是要定义我。
所以 everyone 1000。哦，有 record 哦。
喂，你们玩过火了？我没有给钱的，我就跑了。
对，茶几的吗？
这里有钱的是厕所。
厕所不干净，我给你
这里有人厕所啊，我们做一个店。Go and steal people's stuff.
Stealing anything.
You steal people's stuff.
No stealing anything, bro.
You steal. 抬不上来你就死。来试一下。
可以啊。
对呀。哎，那么一个我，看一下。还没给人家啦，不要玩。
快点啊！Plug first 啦，plug first.
I want to play this kind of.
哎，no play 啊，no play
都 play 啦，就 play people。你哋唔好玩啦，地毁人家啦。哎，你哋搞邊個啊？你們玩什麼啊？哇，有朋友，哇，有女，有女的。
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, boss.
Serious 哦？哎，don't play 啦，this one don't. Small team can handle this one.
No play. You just now see 1000 each, right?
We steady on you.
Now who?
厕所还是做 salesman 啊？对，可能要给我抢工作了。啊，我要打一下这个天下的。这天下不好打。我操！这里还这么好？没有电影。
Cause when you chose me, a simple man, you
那有没有跟那个Specialist 一样，小一过啊就算了。
他这个要手机到里面。Bro, happy or not? Get your top box ready today. Happy or not? Tell me how is your feeling now? Share.
Wake up already ah? Today. Hey, wake up.
So how Other than dreaming, how's your feeling with the top box on your bike now?
Actually, I'm speechless already now. I don't know who's real or not. You think too much already? This is for you. Now what? TikTok What kind of feeling already now? I don't know what kind of feeling already now. What kind of expression you want me to give you all? I also don't know.
Blur.
是不是？又講你買車？我架車我多咗，仲要睇睇要咯。
快點拍個照片先。
哎，你們
拍完要還回去啊。
一定係人嚟拍張照片先。
Your girlfriend.
你說你的電話。
係有冇玩？Press 啊！stop it 啦，stop it 啦，cut
要去换钱，现在要多打包食物给我们了咯。
哦哟，不用总晒白的出门
但是我们就 call delivery。
不好意思，
怎么我的布要露馅
？Now you got bed rest.
You just made my day. You made my day. You made my day. Day. You made my day. You made my day. You made my day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your trip. Like safe. Happy birthday, Jack.
Hello Jack, just want to thank you for being my great buddy, great touring friend, and always bringing me out to riding and eating good food with you. Whenever I'm with you, I know that I can always rely on you to bring me to all the great places, and hopefully more to come in 2022 onwards and the years ahead. And really want to wish you a happy birthday and hope you really like the surprise that we gave you. And hopefully when you come back, you will bring another person with you on a pillion, and we'll make good use to the pillion box. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, what? Hope you enjoy the top box well. And we are waiting for the pillion.
Happy birthday!
Alright. First of all, I would like to wish you a very very happy birthday and wish you a lot of good luck in 2022, a lot of success, and always be happy.
Yeah, everything he said. Double it.
And also hope you really enjoy the gift from all of us. Which lastly have to thanks to Jade and the fellow friends who successful make the surprise for you. I'm not sure if really a surprise, but really hope you like it. And also for the gift, we all requested maybe one day soon enough you will having someone behind your bike as a pillion. Cheers.
Born in the struggle, 상하지 몰라서 I'm guessing you found a man. Better no balance, dependent on awareness. 추억에 빠진 나 기억해. 너도 알잖아, 나 빠지면 빠질수록 터져도 떨어져 바보처럼 너보다 계속 I'm falling, yeah.